First thing I am going to do is to clean my chicken. Here I have 4 chicken thighs. I am going to add some vinegar, okay? It's just some regular white distilled vinegar to help clean my chicken for the acid. I know you see a lot of people use a lemon. I don't have a lemon today to clean my chicken. And also I'm gonna add in some salt. So if you want your chicken clean right, you gotta use something to help get it clean, okay? Now, what you're going to do is, I have a little water in here. I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, so we added some water. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna wash this chicken in this water. And that salt gonna rub up against that skin and that vinegar to help get it clean, okay? But if you have a lemon, go ahead and use a lemon or a lime, and that acid will help kill any germs that's on this skin, okay? I'm gonna do this several times. Then I'm gonna cut off any excess fat on these chicken thighs that I don't like, that I don't need. I always wash your chicken. I know the CDC put out that you don't have to wash your chicken, but all honesty, you don't know what people are doing to the chicken once it gets to those stores. No, it's in that water. See? Coming off that chicken. This is why you wash your chicken. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit bake. And we're gonna preheat this oven to 355 degrees. Okay? Let it go ahead and preheat while we are prepping these chicken thighs to bake. Yes, some delicious baked chicken thighs, everybody. Let's get it together. Good Sunday dinner for your family. I'll show you the seasonings that I'll be using for these chicken thighs. Get you 1 stick of melted butter. I am going to use some onion powder, some white pepper. You can use black pepper, but this is ground white pepper. Some garlic and herb seasoning is what I have. I got some thyme, and I got some seasoned salt. Okay, now if you want it a little spicy, add you some cayenne pepper. Yeah, that'll do the trick, okay? So these are the seasonings that I'm gonna use for these baked chicken thighs. Okay, so let's go ahead. You see how I got this excess skin over here on this chicken thigh that I don't need? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to discard that. You guys, watch, like so. And I'm gonna do this for all the chicken thighs that may have some excess fat or something on it. You see that? Can y'all see that? Let's cut that off. And you just so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the seasoning to my 1 stick of melted butter. That's the onion powder, everybody. Add as much seasoning as you like, but I'm gonna show you how to really bake this chicken, okay? Use the seasonings of your choice too, because everybody don't like the same thing and everybody doesn't have the same thing. You just use some Cajun seasoning if you want. This is the garlic and herb seasoning, okay? Here go the thyme. And because I got 4 pieces of chicken, I'm gonna use about 3 teaspoons of each seasoning. Okay. And this is my seasoning salt. Now, if you're using seasoning salt or Cajun seasoning, you don't have to add paprika, okay? Because paprika's already in here. And make sure you use unsalted butter if you can, if you have it, okay? So then we're just gonna mix this seasoning in with our melted butter. Okay. If you would like to use minced garlic, go ahead. You can. You can mince it yourself. There's nothing wrong with using it and add it to your melted butter, like so. Okay. Okay. So next, I'm just going to pour this mixture all over my chicken. You can use up to 6 pieces of chicken for this, okay? If you're gonna use the 1 stick of butter, okay? And then you just make sure you get the seasoning all over your chicken on both sides. Get some under that skin for flavor. A lot of added flavor. Just lift it up, okay? You don't want to tear it, but you just want to get it all over the chicken like so. Y'all see that? See? That's what you're looking for. Okay, I'm placing these thighs in my baking dish. There is no need for me to spray the bottom of this pan because this butter is oil enough, okay? And we're gonna leave it skin side up. We're not gonna turn the skin side down at all. Leave the skin side up. Your family gonna enjoy this, okay? They're gonna really like it. And I hope y'all check out some more of my videos on my channel. I have a lot of videos. So go ahead, place your chicken in the oven. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Okay. And I'll be back after 30 minutes to baste my chicken. Okay, you guys, so now after 30 minutes, we are going to baste the chicken with the juices that's at the bottom of the pan, okay? Just baste your chicken with that. Then you're gonna put it back in there for 30 more minutes, okay? And the completion will be done after 1 hour. Everybody, so my baked chicken is out of the oven. As you can see, it took 60 minutes, and then I put it under the broiler for about 45 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna let it rest, and I'm gonna plate it up. This is the other side of the chicken. I flipped it over so you guys can see what it looks like on the underside of this baked chicken. Okay, let's flip it over. Y'all see that? It's beautiful and it's nice. See, it's not rubbery or anything. The skin is not rubbery. Let's flip this one over so you can see. See? The bottom side as well. Okay. So this is what me and my kids will be having for dinner today. We got some green beans, cooked down southern style. We got this delicious, beautiful baked chicken. That's what the video really is all about, the baked chicken. For today's Sunday dinner, I want y'all who don't know how to bake chicken, I want to teach you how to make some delicious baked chicken. And I got some mashed potatoes that I made. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video of me cooking with TK on how I make my baked chicken. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, everyone, for another wonderful video. Peace. Y'all have a beautiful day.